Not every time your device gets hot mean your device has a problem. Devices are built with processors, they are built with panels, they are built with diodes. Those little tiny uh, uh, things you can find inside the panel. And these things, they work. And it's very much possible that when you're working, it gets warm. It's normal for anything, electronics and device to get hot while it's working. Even generator gets hot when it's working, your television gets hot when it's working. Everything you use that has to do with uh, technology, it gets hot while working. So what actually makes your phone hot? It's not because your phone is damaged or it has a problem. You're actually the problem, not the phone, not the device. First of all, you're using so many applications at the same time. You open your bank application, you open your weather application, you open your Google, you open ChatGPT, you open Facebook, you open Messenger, all at the same time. These applications are all running at the same time. It is not normal to do, my brother. Now, this is what you need to do. Reduce the usage of too many applications all at the same time. And secondly, this is the second thing you have to do. Phones usually get hot when you are in a hot environment. Have you noticed that if you are in a car in an AC or in an in a house where an AC is working, your phone doesn't drain faster. It doesn't get hot so fast because why? There is a cooling system cooling down the processors and all of that. So your phone getting hot, it is not a problem. You are the problem because you are using too many applications at the same time, and it's not normal to do. Try to reduce the usage of too many applications at the same time and stay away from direct sunlight whenever you're making use of your cell phone because it can absorb heat from the environment coupled with the original heat it produces itself while working. When all this is being observed, your phone struggles to keep your battery alive, to keep your internet running and everything. So that's why your phone keeps getting hot. Your phone does not have a problem. You are the problem because you are using it. And thirdly, another thing that can make our phone die so quickly or get hot so quickly, it is because of games. Modern games have high pixels, they have high graphics that it pushes our device processors to the limit where it might not handle. And once you get to that limit, the only thing it can do is to start getting hot. Your device start getting hot. Nothing is wrong with your device, ladies and gentlemen. And if you know you have watched this video to an extent, to this extent, I want you to comment in this comment section what device you are using and if it gets hot or not. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to this video for no reason and follow me, like and share to somebody who is always thinking that the phone is hot. It is faulty. It is not faulty. You are the cause of the problem. Stop overstressing your device. Use one application at once. When you're done with that one, you can close it. Yes. And in the next video, I'm going to be teaching you on how a practical solution on how to solve this problem. That will be in the next video, not this one. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Like, comment, share to someone. Watch your videos.